Hi, I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA Ocean, and today I want to talk about how the Ship Motion toolset will help you design better yachts in the early stages of design. So we have a new application, the Ship Motion toolbox. What this does is calculate an ISO-compliant motion-affected comfort rating based on a number of parameters laid out in the ISO standard. So what you do is you provide as input the motion RAO of the design, and this is a format, motion RAO format, that's already exported from the Proteus DS Shipmo 3D toolset. So here we have a bare hull of a 50-meter generic yacht that we put in. Then you define the areas where you'll be measuring the motions, the accelerations, which go into the motion affected comfort rating. There's 5 standard areas: owner's cabin, dining area, wheelhouse, and so on. And these are located relative to the aft and baseline. So we have X positive towards the bow, Z positive upwards. And with all those areas defined, you can add some notes here, and then you click on comfort. What it's doing is calculating the ship motion based on the RAO across a wide range of sea states and 2 forward speeds, well, 0 knots and 12 knot speed. This is all calculated per the ISO standard in a bow quartering condition. So there's a little bit of heave, there's a little bit of pitch, there's a little bit of roll. All of these things factor in to the vertical accelerations, lateral accelerations that go into the motion criteria. So the comfort rating is evaluated on a 5-star scale, and what's factored into this is the occurrence of those wave probabilities and then how often it's exceeding the thresholds for those values. The upshot of it is that you get a 5-star overall rating and then comfort ratings for the different areas at 0 knots and 12 knots. So what you can see here is that we've got kind of a low rating for the owner's cabin. Kind of makes sense as it's fairly far forward and then, susceptible to pitch motions and a little bit of roll as well. But what you can do is play with the areas here. So maybe we'll just move this back a little bit to 33 meters. We'll say mod owner's cabin here, and then recompute the comfort rating. What's nice about this is that it gives you quantitative feedback on how things change as you adjust the areas, right? So you can see quickly that as we move the areas around, significantly increase the comfort rating for the owner's cabin. It's just a way to get that feedback, especially in that early stages of design. Of course, the motion RAO might change as you change the hull form, other parameters like vertical CG and so on, and then again you get that feedback on the comfort rating. And there's lots more details to go into on this, but I just wanted to give a quick overview of how it works generally, and look for more video tutorials on using this tool in our channels. Thanks for watching.